Hello boys and girls of the internet. Yes, it's been a while since I made a video, but today we are going to be talking about Plex again. A couple months ago I talked about how to move things around on Plex, and this time I'm going to show you real quick. If you've got this issue, this is coming up, I'm going to show you exactly what to do. It's really easy, very straightforward. So first of all, make sure Plex is off. You need to make sure of this. As long as, yeah, see that? Just kick all Plex stuff at the moment. Look how many times Plex is up. Alright, so these right here are the files, and where you're going to find them. Obviously, if you read this, this is not your location, this is my location, but if you watch my previous video on where you can throw your files, then you're going to remember that's where your files are going to be. So if you don't know where they're at, commonly it's pretty easy to find. Wherever you installed it, you want to locate plugin support database. Look for exactly pretty much this path, other than X right here, but this is where I decided to put it. So you're going to need two files, these two. That's it. You're going to need these two. So we're going to go ahead and grab these, throw these in here. All you literally have to do is this. Take out this, and guess what? Grab these, copy these. Already, I hit Control C on my keyboard, and then all you're going to do is delete all of this. Pop these in here. These are backups. I don't actually need them. And that's pretty much it. All you gotta do is this, and I'm going to show you that it works very easily. Watch what happens when I hit this. It's going to regenerate all those files, so you're perfectly fine. So now, we're going to do this. So, yes, get over it. I like the Big Bang Theory. Shut up. There you go. It's all there. If you've never heard of Goldfinger, you need to listen to their music. They're amazing. And there you go. All of it's back up and running. You can hit your home button, and you can do other things like video player. You can see my collections and stuff like that. I have gigs and gigs. Obviously, this is mine, not yours. But that is how you do it within 3 minutes or less. It's literally a minute's worth of work if you know where it's at. Just make sure you click on the right thing. I have a ton of everything. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for any time I decide to upload another video. I hope this was easy for you to understand as much as it was easy for me to finally figure out. It's only a couple steps. So thank you for watching. Later.